Today, it's a Make-A-Wish Foundation event, and we're gonna give some rides to some Make-A-Wish kids. So it's gonna be fun. We're gonna see their reaction here. Again, this is nothing going fast, but it's just to kind of, you know, for kids who have challenges with, you know, health problems and so on. So they get to choose their ride and make a wish come true. So I'm really excited to do this. We obviously try to motivate kids to be the best they can be and you know, have a better life, and it's challenging for these kids. So it's really awesome to be able to share this experience with the kids. So let's see how this goes. I'm really excited about it. Go for it.
Right. Whoa.
There you go.
Oh yeah, Evan. Check us out.
Down there.
So, no, you can't drive. You can't drive. Say cheese. Say cheese. Show them your smile. Show them your smile. All right, you ready?
What's your name?
Ready? Say, my name is Evan.
Hi, Evan. How are you?
You say hi.
Yeah, you want to reach? You can touch it. There you go.
Oh yeah, Evan driving the Lamborghini.
You got it.
Yeah.
All right, Evan.
All right.
Hope it doesn't hurt your ears.
Let's
I'm gonna
sit down.
take a look.
Oh yeah.
Got it?
Look at this, guys. Look. It's okay. It's okay.
All right, here we go.
You're good. You're good, buddy.
Ready to go?
Yes,
There
ready
you
to go.
go. Yeah.
I'm riding in the
You're
Lambo.
riding in a Lambo.
Yeah, your brother was so jealous. You should have came.
Yeah, there you go.
Yes, I was riding that Lambo, brother. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go. So how old is he?
He's 4.
He's 4. Okay.
He'll be 4. He'll be 5 in November.
Okay.
And you're 4.
4. Yeah. There you go. You soon be 5.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. That is
that's
cool. Yeah, this car can't do the off-road.
Yeah, no.
So that's pretty
I was
nice.
looking at how low it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. High five,
We
high
walked
five.
down the hill.
There you go.
And he was trying to get in the car. When we
Really?
were walking past, he was unbuckling his seat. Huh.
Wow.
You got to get in. How cool is this? This
You
is
get to
so
drive
cool.
around in the Lamborghini.
Woo-hoo, yeah. Is that fun? Oh, yeah.
We'll make sure to get a picture of you guys.
Oh, please, yes. And what's your name?
Cody.
Cody?
Cody.
Oh, Cody.
Yeah.
Sorry. That's Cody. Say hi, Cody.
Yeah.
Someone say hi to Cody.
Hello.
Hello. You ain't gonna say hi?
All right, fist bump, fist
Yeah,
bump.
fist bump, bump, bump.
There you go. Very good.
There's Cody.
That is awesome.
Mommy's having more fun than you. Yeah.
Yeah, right. All right, come here. Here, you want to push your horn?
Go ahead. Press the horn.
Press the horn. Come
Go
on.
ahead. Get it. Oh, yeah.
Here.
Get him.
How about you do this?
Oh.
You are the driver.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Evan driving the Lambo.
Yeah. Look at the stormtrooper.
You see the stormtrooper?
Hey.
Hi.
Push.
Hello.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, you're turning.
You driving? You
That
know,
is just
how you
awesome.
know how to drive?
Oh man,
How do you know?
he's a race
Okay.
car driver. Okay. Here
Say
you go.
thank you. Thank you. That
You're
was
welcome.
fun. That was so much fun.
Yeah. Butt first. bring your head down there.
There you go. A little bit more.
Here you go.
There we go.
Awesome. Very good. What's your name?
Alyssa.
Melissa. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
All right. First time in a Lamborghini, right?
Yep.
All right. There we go. You're welcome. All right. So first we got to rev a little bit. So. There you go.
Should be used to fast cars, but apparently I'm not.
Yeah.
No, because last year I rode in the yellow convertible that's up there.
Oh, yeah, really? What do you think?
Luckily I was glad that there was a handle right here.
Yeah,
Because
for you to hold on to.
you did what you did up there.
Yeah.
It was death grip, like this. My hair went flying back, and I was kind of glad I had to sit down.
Oh, that's awesome.
Exactly right.
So while we're rolling, you can go. That's just so fun.
And after you, I'm gonna go in that orange one.
The McLaren? Yeah.
I wasn't gonna do it at first, but then I found out that I get a Matchbox car afterwards, and I'm going in it.
Somebody just yelled out, it's a Performante, because that's the name for this car. It's called a Performante, but the nickname is Purple Monte. So it's kind of cool. So you're gonna tell all your friends you got to roll around, ride around in a Lamborghini, huh? Yeah. Are they gonna be jealous? Yeah. I'd be jealous. If you came and told me I got to ride in a Lamborghini, I'd be like, oh, no. And then a purple one, I'd be like, no. Right? There you go. Okay. We'll get back down there. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So you had a good time? Yeah? So, now when we get out, we'll get a picture of you in front of the car so you can keep, okay? So your mom, right? She can get a picture so you'll have it and you're like, look, there I was in a Lamborghini. That was a Lamborghini I was in this summer. Okay? Alright, sounds good.
Nick, what'd you think of this car?
Isn't it the best? This color is like stunning. I love it.
It matches his shoes and your shirt.
Nick, you must have knew you were going for a ride in this car today. You wore the matching shoes.
Yeah, you had a good time. All right, buddy.
It's gonna go
Good
next.
job. Okay.
Is that?
Yeah, I may come back. How long do you guys run this? Because I need to go get something to eat. I'm jet lagged, so.
Probably until maybe like.
Okay. All right. I'll try to come back. I'll try to come back over.
I need to find a really fun seat.
Yeah. All right.
7 of us that put this whole thing.
Oh, wow.
7 of us.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, hold on. So,
You were waiting a long time.
all right. So, what's your name again?
Damien.
Damien. So, how's it going so far? Have you gone out in any of the other cars yet? All right, let's go. What's your favorite so far? All right, well, we're gonna go for a little ride around here, okay? Oh, you like those crackles, huh? So, do you like cars a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what's your favorite car of all time?
I would either say
A what?
Ferrari, Lamborghini, or Bugatti.
Ooh, Bugatti. You said your favorite Lamborghini was what? Was wishes. That's what this is today, guys. We're taking these.
Mommy, I'm in a Lambo. Mommy, I'm in a Lamborghini. Look at the sign. It's a Lambo, Mom. It was so fast. Should have added it to my story. They're looking like, why is there a little kid in this car? People think you're my dad, probably. Well, if you were my dad and you drove me to school, my friends would
freak
my
out.
friends would be like, oh my God, your dad got a Lambo.
Exactly. So.
Oh. Oh my God. Don't give me a heart attack. Oh my God. My heart is racing. Now, airbags.
Yes.
Was
Airbags there, airbags here, they're in the doors as well. But hopefully you never ever need to use them.
yeah,
right?
I know. I was just wondering. This car's so nice. It's too bad it doesn't have like a backseat for family.
That's because this car is not designed. This is a two-seater. This is a track-focused car. So this this is Lamborghini's.
This is a race car?
Yes, this is Lamborghini's fastest car. It used to be the fastest production car in the world until the Porsche GT2 RS knocked it off, and by about, I think, 3 or 4 seconds, or maybe it's 5 seconds.
Right.
But this lapped the Nürburgring at 6:52.01. You know, okay.
Want to say hi?
Oh, sure. You're calling Mom from a Lamborghini. How
Yeah.
go figure?
Mom, guess what?
Why?
I'm in a Lamborghini.
Nice for you.
You hear it?
Around what?
I'm in a Lamborghini.
What color?
Purple one. This is my friend,
Cody. Dr. M3.
yeah, I'm having so much fun. He revved it so fast. I almost felt,
Recorded. That's what you did. You recorded.
yeah, I did. But it was funny. Like, he went super fast.
Well, it feels super fast. Not really fast. Everything's all done safe, of course.
Yeah, I'm in the purple Lambo.
Okay, his windows are up with the black thing on that.
Yeah.
I'm up here, I'll live here by the thing waving.
Oh, I see them up there waving? Over there. Do you see them?
Oh, yeah, I see him. All right, bye, Mom.
So you must have gone by them over there.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Here, hang on. We'll get a look close and we can jump out here. You are welcome. So remember what I said to you, right?
Yeah.
Stay in school.
Stay in school.
Get good grades. Stay away from drugs.
Yeah.
Okay? And don't let anybody tell you
can't.
what you can and cannot achieve. Okay? And then I expect to see you in a Lambo in a few years. Okay?
How was it?
Well, ask him.
It is awesome.
All right.
So like that.
GoPro, stop recording.